So today we are going to study about integration. In yesterday's class we saw how to find the differentiation of any equation and in terms of any variable, and for how many times we want double differentiation, triple differentiation, or differentiation in any form is possible. And the answer was coming in command window and the program we were writing in the program window. So basically in editor. So what happens? Integration is very simple. The process is quite similar. In that also, first you have to load the package. It is always safe to load the package because sometimes what happens when you're changing the folder, that time the
Subscribe for more upcoming content.
Work. So in that case, if you are writing line 1, so because sometimes we have faced the same issue, so it is always safe to write the first line as package load, because what happens in command window, sometimes we are getting the error that package is not loaded. So those things we have to take care, and you know that the first step is to load the package and second step is to do the symbol assignment, and after that we give the question, and then we use the command differentiation, and in this case we'll use the command integration with respect to x, y or z or whatever variable you want, that we have to declare, then we have to display the result. This is the overall process. So it is quite simple. So start it with the integration now. So at first what we are going to do? We are going to do the loading of package. So we will write pkg. Pkg stands for package. Then we will write load. Then we will write symbolic, because symbolic is the package that is responsible for all this type of variable assignments. So we have the variable x, y and z. So we write sims. Sims stands for symbol assignment. So we are telling that x, y and z are the three variables. Now here in the third line we have to write the equation. So we'll give eq as the equation. So our equation is we'll write 4x to the power 3 into y into z, plus we'll write 5 into x into y to the power y square and into z to the power 4 plus 10 into x to the x, y into z to the power 5. So this is our equation. Now we have to find the solution. So we'll write solution equal to, then what we want to do? Before we were doing the command differentiation. So instead of differentiation, the command was diff. The same way, the command for integration is int. So int. So what was our question? Our question was eq. This was the name of the question. So we want to do integration with respect to what? So we want to do integration with respect to x. So we'll write x. And then what we'll do? We'll just display the result. That is the next step. So display what? We have to display the result, and that is the solution. Solution. Okay. Spelling mistakes should not be there. Otherwise the result won't be coming. So once we'll see loading of the package, then symbol assignment, then our question 4x cube y z plus 5xy square z to the power 4 plus 10xy z to the power 5. So this is the logic. So we'll run this code, and then it will ask you to save the program. So we'll save the program in Octave internship and MATLAB processing, mathematical processing, and we'll write it intg1. This should be the name. Anything you can give the name as, but it should not be obviously that it should not be any command name, like you cannot use sine, cos, plot like that only. So it's loading the package and you have to wait for a few seconds. It will give you the answers. Okay, package loading is completed and this is our answer. So I hope it is visible. If it is not visible, let me zoom this one so you can see the result and match it accurately. So our question was 4x cube into y into z, and we are doing integration with respect to x. So what it will become? It will become 4 into x to the power 4 by 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So answer will be x to the power 4 y and z in the first case. Second case also likewise, you will be finding with respect to x, so it will become 5 into x to the power 2 by 2 into y square. Then after the simplification and all, it's giving you the final answer. Likewise, if you want to do integration, but this time the integration will be with respect to y, then what answer will come? So we can write here, this is equation, we'll make it as equation number 1, so we have to change it here. Then our same thing, but this time we want to use, you should not copy and paste, you should write the program, otherwise the practice won't come. So this time equation 1 we want to integrate, but with respect to y, okay, then the name will be solution. See what happened, program runs like this. So even though if you are using this solution here, it will display here, okay, and after that it comes to this line. So now this solution and this solution is not same, okay. So it's your wish, you can leave it like this only, or you can change it to solution 1, and this is also solution 1. So integration with respect to y now, okay. Then we'll run this code and we'll see the answer. So what answer is coming? Okay, so this time the answer is this one. So 5x y to the power 3 by into z to the power 4 by 3. So y cube by 3 is basically the answer. So what happens here? Here it is doing with respect to y. So y square by 2, then 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So like that it comes. Okay, so likewise after further simplification and all, it will be coming. Now we want to do this with respect to z. So what will happen? So with respect to z is also easy. So this time what will give? Solution number 2, integration of equation 1, means equation 1 with respect to z, and it will display the solution number 2, okay, and then we'll run this code and then we'll wait for the answer to appear. So this came already, solution 1, solution 2, like that it will be giving you the answer. Okay, so for that first equation it's giving solution, okay. So solution is the integration with respect to x, this is giving you the result of equation integration with respect to y, and third is giving you integration with respect to z. So this is the overall process. So likewise the same process was, instead of using int, if you are changing it to diff double f, in that case what will happen? The same thing will happen for differentiation with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. So I hope this is clear to you, and in case you have any other doubts and all, you can ask us by commenting. Thank you, students.
Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel.